Okay, homeschool mom here, even though I have transitioned back to public school, but Lord, I might transition back to homeschool again because the experience, woo, is really special. So anyway, okay, activities. What kind of activities can your child do, like for PE? Now, in this one program that I found online, it's called Easy Peasy Online Homeschool or something like that. I use that for a few of my programs because they really have things really laid out. The curriculum is already laid out and everything. However, if I were to do it all over again, I might just use them for some of my electives, because I would, if I had to do it all over again, I would use the accredited programs for the core courses if I had to do it all over again. All right, but if you're in elementary school or even middle school, maybe, have at it. Go ahead and do those, right? But Easy Peasy Online Homeschool, I found it to be very easy to navigate. My daughter found it easy to navigate, and she even took a Spanish through there, Spanish 1, and they had live sessions, and it was nice, you know. That was a little extra, but the Easy Peasy was free, I think. And then the Spanish was extra because an actual teacher was involved in the Spanish. With the other classes, I did them myself. But what do you do like for physical education? Or because that is mandatory, I think you need a credit or something like that, or half credit or something. Physical education, you need health. Like, what do you do for stuff like that? Well, Easy Peasy had some nice ideas of what is considered health or what is considered physical education. However, check with your state to make sure they don't have a mandatory health class, which I found out they do here. So, you know, there's that. So, so you need to make sure you're doing the curriculum they want you to do, you know, because they want to teach you about all the foolishness going on in this world right now. And yeah, but that's not what this is about. So, okay. So PE, the young boy was doing aqua aerobics. That, you know, many gym memberships today, your children can go with you, right? After a certain age. So definitely check that out. My daughter has been in competitive cheer, which is an elective for PE, and it's you can account for it. You know, you can, okay, they have practice these days, they got competition, there's a schedule, right? She's also been in ice skating, so there's a schedule for that. And so when you're doing your portfolio review, you can show these things. It's also good for your portfolio review to have pictures and video of what your child has done for PE and for the PE. Also, for science fair projects, you want to have pictures and things of that nature, pictures and video of science fair stuff, or not science fair, but the labs in science, you want to have pictures and video of that. If your child takes culinary arts or something like that, you want to have pictures and video of your child making the food, following the recipes, outcomes, what the food look like, and things of that nature. So you definitely want to do that. You want to have picture and video records of the different electives that your child is doing, so you have proof of everything that you're doing. Field trips, that's a part of homeschooling. So when you and your child go on a field trip, you want to have video, paper, literature, you know, pictures and things of that nature for field trips. You can be creative with field trips. Field trips can be when you went on vacation, you went somewhere and you did this, that, and the other. You know, you went to this museum, or you went here or there or whatever. Take pictures, have literature, you know, brochures or whatever, and this counts as your field trips. And make sure you're documenting everything. Community service. Document your community service that your child is doing. Make sure that your child does their community service, because they need 40 hours of community service. All right. So make sure you're doing your community service. What else? I think that's it for that one. The libraries, check with the libraries. I already mentioned check with Parks and Planning, depending on what age group your child is in. Taking pictures of social engagement. They want to see that your child is being socialized. So when you're having play dates, depending on what age group your child is in, or if your child is doing outings or whatever with friends, make sure you're having pictures or have them take pictures or whatever, so that you have a collage of pictures for those type of things to put in your portfolio. All right, we're going to continue in the next one.